Albie Casino is a Filipino actor best known for his role as Christian in the 2010 hit series Clara. He was born on May 14, 1993 in Makati, Philippines. His father is Benjo Casiño and his mother is Rina Casiño. He also has a brother named Adam. Concerning his educational background, he attended De La Salle College of St. Benilde. In August 2015, Casiño revealed his battle with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder or ADHD, citing it as a reason for his departure from ABS to CBN. Casiño entered the Pinoy Big Brother PBB house in the 2021 celebrity edition of the reality show and has opened up about his struggles with ADHD, which resulted to his altercation with fellow housemate Alexa Iracate. The tension around his reclusive personality eventually led to his eviction from the said show. Nevertheless, he has since reconciled with fellow PBB housemates and has openly expressed interest to bury the hatchet with Andy Heineman. Casiño was involved in a controversy with ex-girlfriend Andy Heineman. Heineman was reportedly almost 5 months pregnant on June 29, 2011. She then revealed that the father of her child was her first boyfriend and Albie was one of the suspects. Meanwhile, Heineman's present boyfriend, Jack Erchisito, already denied that he is the father, while Albie's mother neither confirmed nor denied that Albie is the father of Andy's unborn child. However, in an interview of Heineman's father, Mark Gill, he did hint that the father of the child is Heineman's first and only boyfriend. He also said that Ercito was not the father and he respected him for being there even if he was not the father of the child. Eventually, after a 5-year dispute in September 2016, it was finally confirmed by Heineman's sister in a podcast that Jack Ercito is a confirmed father and that a paternity test was taken without Casiño's knowledge. On May 4, 2012, Jane saw Casiño at a bar in Makati and reportedly threw wine on Casiño's face and slapped him. Casiño went to the restroom to clean himself up with the intention of leaving the bar after but he and a friend were purportedly followed and assaulted in the parking lot by Heineman's companions. The commotion was later stopped by a bouncer. Jenny's companions included Frank Magalona, son of late rapper Francis Magalona, and Jake Laxon, son of politician Ping Laxon.